So what we are actually seeing right now, we all are living in the moment of disruption at a compressed scale. And I would just want to flash this slide, which I use in I have used it in lots of talks. And what happens that every time I see this slide, I have to make some changes. This is happening so fast. So, for example, my earlier version of the slide has only till wave 4. But then I thought that, hey, there has been so much of changes from my 3 months old talk to now. I should introduce a new bubble called wave 5. So, till 4-5 months, it was all agents, agentic AI. Now we see a lot of focus on physical AI, or the intelligence moving to the next level, in which we are able to operate in physical world, perform certain actions, and etc. So this is one example of fragrance retail. It is a metaverse experience. And what we try to reimagine is that users will be able to see the perfume in an immersive environment as well as smell it. And there are conversational avatar in the environment, which are again, they can answer questions.
Hi, Jojo.
This is a Oculus experience. Along with that, we use this device, which there is a holder also which you can wear around your neck. And it has some cartridges, and the moment you actually click the button and the user is trying to understand the fragrance, this device would emit that fragrance. So you can create also or synthesize your own fragrance, because whatever fragrances are part of this device, you can combine in different intensities and create your own experience.